You don't even know what you do. One little glance and I'm see-through. Every word that you don't say still hits me harder anyway. And I hate how my hands might shake every time that we're face to face. But I don't move, I just stand my ground. Terrified you'll hear my heart out loud. It's small things, the way my guard breaks down. Every time that you're around, I don't say it, but it's burning in my throat. Every secret that I wrote at night, you feel like mine in a way that leaves me bare. Like you see in every tear, I never meant to show you there. You feel like mine, like a truth I can't outrun. Like a bruise under the sun, aching but it still feels like the one. Feel like mine. You don't talk much, but I'm caught in every broken piece of thought. In the quiet, it's all too loud. Like my fears are shouting out. I just shake when you say my name. Like it's tied to all my shame. Like it might be everything to you. And I'm scared you feel it like I do. It's subtle, but it cuts through my skin every time you let me in. I'm careful, but I'm slipping off the edge every time that you say my name like that. You feel like mine in a way that leaves me bare. Like you see in every tear, I never meant to show you there. You feel like mine, like a truth I can't outrun. Like a bruise under the sun, aching but it still feels like the one. You feel like mine. Maybe I'm losing control. Maybe you're under my bones. Maybe I'm in over my head. But if I am, then why does it shake my hands every time you pull me in? Like, you feel like mine. You feel like mine. And it scares me how it hurts, how it digs into the dirt of every time I swore I put me first. You feel like mine, like a wound I couldn't clean, like a promise I didn't mean, but I keep on clinging to the dream. You feel like mine. Can't say it, hurt it, like you were always mine. Soft moonlight on a quiet road. You pull me in without a word told. Your hoodie smells like summer rain, and suddenly I'm warm again. You laugh a little, eyes on mine, and everything feels by design. I swear that stars lean in to hear every word you whisper near. I don't know how you do that thing where you make my heart forget to think. 'Cause when you look my way, the world slows down. Like we're the only two souls in this whole town. But tonight feels right when you look my way. Your hand brushes mine just barely there, but it sends a spark straight through the air. You smile like you know what you do to me, and boy, it's sweet as honey tea. You talk about dreams you wanna chase, and I see forever in your face. Maybe it's early, maybe it's fate, but something about you feels worth the wait. I don't know how you do that thing where you make my heart forget to think. 'Cause when you look my way, the world slows down, like we're the only two souls in this whole town. Your voice is soft, but it hits so deep, like a secret only my heart can keep. I don't know what tomorrow's gonna say, but tonight feels right when you look my way. If you ever wonder what I'm feeling inside, it's the way you make the night feel wide. If you reach for me, I won't pull away. I've been hoping